everyone, I'm Victoria. Welcome to my pasta art book, and today we're gonna make classic gnocchi. But before we dive into the recipe, let me share a little story about gnocchi. Soft, pillowy dumplings originally come from northern Italy, especially from the regions Lombardy, Piedmont, and Veneto. Potato became popular there in 17th century. That's when gnocchi started taking the shape as we know today. Since then, gnocchi have become a beloved comfort food all over Italy, enjoyed with variety of sauces. Today, I'm gonna show you how to make classic potato gnocchi with a simple, fresh marinara sauce. It's easy, delicious, and just perfect. Let's get started. First, we start with 2 medium-sized potatoes, baked until soft and peeled. 1, 2. Next step, we need to mash it really well. You can use the fork or ricer.
Add 1 egg and a pinch of salt to the mashed potatoes and knead gently. Now, slowly add similar flour a little at a time. Knead the dough until it's soft and smooth, but not sticky. If it feels too sticky, sprinkle a bit more flour. But be careful not add too much flour. Roll the dough into long ropes about as thick as your finger. Then cut it into small bite-sized pieces. These are your gnocchi. If you want it, you can roll each piece over a fork or gnocchi board to create a classic ridges. They help the sauce stick better. Boil a pot of salt water and drown the gnocchi in batches. They'll thin it first, then float to the surface when they cooked, usually after 2-3 minutes. Scoop them out with the slotting spoon. While the gnocchi cooks, heat some olive oil in a pan and mix garlic and salt until it's fragrant. Then pour the crunched tomatoes or just tomato sauce. Season with salt and pepper and toast fresh basil leaves. Let the sauce simmer gently until it thickens. Finally, toast the cooked gnocchi in the marinara sauce until they well coat. Serve immediately with some grated parmigiano or fresh basil on the top. Enjoy your homemade gnocchi, simple, comforting, and full of flavor.